learned to sew on my own when I started having children. They were in a lot of things at school, so I couldn't afford to go out and buy the uniforms, so I learned on my own how to make them. I like making masks because it's something for everybody, not just me. I first started because uh, I didn't think it was going the coronavirus was going to be as big as it is, and I thought I was going to start out slow. But then it got bigger, and I had to. And then more people needed them. More people needed them, so I just kept continuously making masks, and I like it.